Hey everyone, having worn the OnePlus Watch Lite for a considerable amount of time, it is evident that this smartwatch is designed with careful compromises in mind, rather than involving blatant cost-cutting measures. The designation Lite is fitting in that it indicates a reduction of features relative to the OnePlus Watch 3, particularly with the abandonment of Wear OS for a proprietary operating system. However, it also brings some real benefits that make it attractive on its own terms. The Watch Lite, with a price tag of £179, is positioned firmly within the budget-friendly smartwatch market, alongside Xiaomi's products and significantly cheaper than OnePlus higher-end models. Upon putting on the OnePlus Watch Lite, the first thing that strikes you is its slimness. With a thickness of just 8.9 millimeters, it resembles a conventional wristwatch more than the majority of contemporary smartwatches, which often appear large and prominent on the wrist. The combination of its slim profile and lightweight body results in exceptional comfort for all-day wear. The sapphire crystal glass has proven resilient against daily bumps and scratches, exhibiting no visible damage. With its complete IP68 certification and 5 ATM water resistance, it is entirely safe for swimming, showering, and beach outings. The software is the biggest functional difference between the Watch Lite and its pricier counterpart. Oxygen OS Watch 1.7, a proprietary platform that is familiar and intuitive, but much more limited, replaces Google's Wear OS. Navigation is straightforward and makes sense, featuring swipes for notifications, health stats, and widgets, along with a rotating crown that is truly appreciated at this price point. Fortunately, the display is far from a compromise. The 1.46-inch display is outstanding, providing vivid colors, profound contrast, and crisp detail at a density of 317 pixels per inch. The text is sharp, the watch faces are impressive, and the brightness is remarkable, peaking at approximately 1,500 nits. Outdoor visibility is superb, even under direct sunlight, and the automatic brightness adjustment functions dependably without the need for constant manual adjustments. Watch Lite excels in health and fitness tracking. It encompasses all the fundamental features, such as continuous heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, stress detection, breathing exercises, and sleep tracking with an analysis of light and deep sleep. 60-second health check is a nice feature that provides a quick overview of various metrics, but it's clearly not medical grade and should be taken with caution. Exercise tracking encompasses more than 100 activities, while a smaller subset provides more precise metrics. The Watch Lite also performs well in terms of battery life. OnePlus claims up to 10 days under perfect conditions, and although that number is hopeful, actual usage remains noteworthy. The watch comfortably lasted just over 4 days before reaching 10%, with continuous use, daily workouts, sleep tracking, an always-on display, and all health features activated. Ultimately, the OnePlus Watch Lite is a budget smartwatch that is well-balanced and understands its target audience. It offers a gorgeous, ultra-slim design, an exceptionally bright display, reliable fitness tracking, and decent battery life, all at a very competitive price point. The trade-off is a noticeably simplified smart experience, characterized by limited notifications, the absence of an app ecosystem, no contactless payments, and no voice assistant support. It will seem overly limited to power users seeking extensive app support and sophisticated smart features. But for the rest of us, it's a chic and reliable accessory that handles the basics well. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.